Hello, good evening to all of you. Okay, so as of now, many of you completed the sign up process. Now, the next step it is just I am going to discussing through how it is going to happen. You please see here. So, this is the program name Become Job Ready for Developer. So we are our college is enrolled and our college is selected, and in the most of the engineering colleges are opted for developer post, and admin it is for some degree colleges and other interested colleges, right? So anyway, it is associated with the task and the Salesforce Trailblazer. So I think recently the one workshop have done, so you have attended, I think so. So there also they have mentioned so many things about the job ready program. So now you have to start and the working with the a platform. So now I will guide you how to start, right? So this is the job ready program. So we all the students are the audience. So the main goal is they have provided like this, create a virtual career experiences. Actually, so the Salesforce ecosystem, it is a very wonderful ecosystem, and they wanted to recruit the people as many as possible. They have some target. I will show you 4.2 million target, as they told in the previous the workshops also. So it is a very prestigious and very good platform. You can work without having some coding. The deep knowledge of the coding is not required, right? So but anyway, this platform is wonderful. So you can see here, so this program, it is consisting of the uh, mm, program is launched recently on the 14th July. So trailhead learning, it is going to be consisting of some trail mixes and trailheads. Almost nothing here. This platform, it is going to be having some the getting awareness on how to work with the Salesforce. So that's why for getting the that much of knowledge, you have to go through the what do you call, the challenges. Then you will get to know how the Salesforce ecosystem will be there, right? That you have to catch, and you should participate the events which are happening whenever you have received the mail from the Salesforce. You better to maintain the connection with that particular the workshops or webinars which are happening frequently, right? So the main intention is like this, these many number of challenges are there. So once you are able to solving the challenges, then you will get some badges and points also will be there, that I will show you. And once you completed the challenges, you will receive badges, and once you receive the more number of badges, and your rank also will be increased. That also I will show you. But to get motivated and to get more lot of information, you better to attend the virtual career events which are running. That link I will post in the description also. You please go through that. And now, so this is the Become Job Ready for Developer. You can see here, students will have the opportunity to go through the curated content design to gain knowledge and fundamentals of Salesforce automation, security and coding platform provides. They will be completing 6 trial mixes, right? You have to complete the before the end of this program to attend the career event. That is nothing but to go to the recruitment. This is the minimum the requirement they are expecting from you. 6 trail mixes you need to complete. So 6 trail mixes is nothing but so 44 badges you have to complete, and 4 super badges also. So right, and after the step 1 you will move to the step 2. It is for preparing for the interviews. So you can see here, you can just read out all those points, and you can go through this point, build your soft skills. So you can go through this challenge, this module, and you have to read out, and you will earn 500 points. Clear? So actually the public speak secrets, so login to complete. So these are the different type of challenges, and the modules are there. You have to read all the challenges, and everything is theoretical. I will show you how to do it. Then you have to go through like that. Now after that the mentoring, so mentorship is also there. You will get a chance of students by themselves for a free of 1 month mentorship, right? So as a beginner you will not get the Salesforce Trailblazer mentorship concept, because those who are experienced in that, so they will get this concept of calling the mentors, all mentors. Who is eligible for the mentor, you can see here. Have a prior experience in mentoring, teaching, or career coaching. Must have trailhead account, and of course you have the trailhead account, but you are very beginner to that Salesforce, right? So that's why as of now, so as in this current position you are not eligible. We are looking for the trailblazer community members that employed by Salesforce. So it means that those who are already have the part of this ecosystem, and who is doing the lot of challenges and earning the badges, they will go for the 1 month mentorship, and they will learn more and more the support from the ecosystem, right? And the remaining topics as given, like how can I participate as a mentor, what is involved by the mentor, and what the work of the mentor. So mentor is going to calling and motivating the people. So after that, career plan, mock interviews, resume preparation, that all things will be happen. So anyways, the which is as of now, which is not required for you. Once you are familiar with the platform, you can move. Now after that, join a career event. So you see here, so the Salesforce ecosystem to land your career opportunity with more than 4.2 million jobs being created in the ecosystem by 2024. This is the main target you have to keep in your mind, right? So that's why they are promoting and encouraging all the students to participate. You can see here Salesforce ecosystem. Just a minute. So this is a white paper they are given, the Salesforce economic impact. So 19 to 24, in this white paper you can read out all the points if required. If you are interested, this is the cloud computing, how the company is generating, and what are the profits of the company. Everything is given about this company, right? If you are more interested, then you can follow all these things. And if you required anything, you please post in the group. I will forward as much as possible, nothing to worry, right? So this part, it is also given the career path. So here also how these people are, you can see here. Now we are at the stage of a Salesforce developer. Once you completed Salesforce developer, so not only this, so the entire cadres they have mentioned, Salesforce architect, this is the salary average. If you observe here, the average salaries are only for the developer dollar 1.8 k thousands, 108,000 dollars into, you can multiply with 75. That much of salary you will get. Salesforce administrator 91k dollars. Business analyst, this much of salaries they are showing very clearly, very clearly. So on average, job with the Salesforce skills pay around $80,000 per year, right? So this much of scope is there. So you can see here the Salesforce administrator, Salesforce developer, Salesforce architect, and these are the job roles they having. So for knowledge, they have given everything, right? So to get the more the awareness on this, you can click here the trailhead events. So these trailhead events you have to attend frequently, then only you will get an idea about how to solve the issues and what is the current situation is there. And right, so these are the different type of things. I will post this all links in the description. You have to read out everything, right? So unless you may not survive in this current trend at the competition. Okay. Now you can see here developer program timeline. This is the timeline here. So they wanted to they are expecting July to August, this many number of tasks you have to complete. August, this many you have to complete, and by the end of November you should complete the 22 badges, and December almost you are going to attend in the career event, right? This is the target you have to complete. On or before that 42 badges you have to complete, 7 projects, 4 super badges, app builder and platform developer 1 credentials. So this is the entire time is 17 weeks, right? So approximately 90 hours they are expecting, but it takes a lot of time, some better than more than that time, right? And this part is for admin, it is not required for you. For the admin only 6 trail mixes are required, and 34 badges are there. 3 super badges are required, more than that not required. And career readiness, you can see here Tailbos mentorship empowers. So this is the mentorship concept, already explained, right? I have already shown you. So soft skills, resuming, building modules, so resume reviews, so preparing their own pitch, career path. So you can find out this is the hiring, the career fair. It may happen the last year, TDX in India. So you can see what is the TDX. It is a trailhead. DX is one kind of developer event. It happens there. You can provided with the recruitment or the job for the people. You can see here these are the platforms which are working for the Salesforce in coordination. These are the companies are hiring by the people who have done who have completed these challenges, TCS and traction on demand, persistent. So lot of sources are, you will come to know once you have enter into this what do you call, then you will automatically go, right? Okay, so course details, this is very important for you. You have to note down these all points. You can see here this is the main target for you from Monday onwards. So they are expecting from 27th to start working with this, right? So they are going to be monitoring all the people, those who are started and those who are doing. In connection with that, I will show you the community also. If you have any doubt, I will start, I will begin and I will guide you how to begin and how to end the badges and points. Then slowly you can start and you update the progress for me, and I will note down, I will send you the form to fill up. And moreover, in addition to that, your all credentials are already stored in them, because of you have already completed the sign up process now. So they can monitor everything, and they will call you also, or they will send you the mails and everything, right? So you can see here these are the points they are mentioning: prepare for the interview, job ready activities and mentorship activities. So now how to do this, you can see here. The first step is build your Salesforce skills. The trail mix 1 is nothing but they have given the trail mix 1 here. You have to start this trail mix 1. Okay, I hope you understand. So once you log into this, then you will start working on this login. You can go through the email, otherwise Salesforce developer, that I will show you how to start, nothing to worry. And you have to start a trailhead basics, 300 points you will get. It takes some 15 minutes, they are expecting, but it takes some other more time because of so you can see here this become a job ready for a developer trail mix 1. Total it is going to be having 10,450 points. Whenever you have completed this part, you will get 300 points. You completed 700 points. You completed this part 900 points. If you completed this point, this one 200 points. If you completed the data modeling, you will earn 1500 points. If you completed this one, 500 points. If you completed this one, 1500 points. So likewise, all put together, you are going to getting the total number of points are 10,450 points, right? So with that, trail mix 1 will be completed. Clear? So now we'll go to the trail mix 2. So totally we have to complete how many? 6 trail mixes we have to complete, and you need to go for the to attend for the interviews, right? So now trail mix 2. Here the super badge is there. You can see here associated super badge. Again you need to go here. So this it is consisting of the 14,900 points. 14,900 points are there. So you can see here, if you go create this one, if you done with this, you will get this many number of points. If you complete this module or challenge, you will get 2,100 points. If you complete this challenge, you will get 1,700 points. If you completed this one, 1,700 points. Like that, on whole you will get 14,900 points, and you will complete a trail mix 2 now. Clear? Now after that you need to go for trail mix 3. It is also associated with the super badges. You have to keep in your mind how many number of trail mixes you have to complete. 6 trail mixes you have to complete, and 4 super badges you have to complete. Here 1 super badge, and these are the second super badge, third super badge, fourth super badge, right? So this is credential super badge PD1. So these all things you will come to know once you have started and attending the virtual career events. Okay, and meanwhile I will I told you know how to start, I will tell, and slowly you have to start challenging in the solving the challenges. Then you will get to your profile automatically increased. How the profile will be there, that also I will show you. My profile I will show you. Based on that you can do. Okay, so you can see this is the third super badge. So once you have completed this trail mix 2, you will complete the super badge 1, and if you complete trail mix 3, you will complete the super badge 2. So whenever you are completing, automatically you will be ranked. So because of thousands of people are doing throughout the state, all engineering colleges they have adapted. Last time actually it was missed, but I wanted this time I wanted to make you move towards the recruitment, bulk recruitment. I wanted to move you, or I wanted to encourage you as part of myself. So that's why you please go through it. So it is not separately, there is no separate training conducting anywhere. Just there is a separate wonderful community is there, and a lot of ecosystem. That's why they told the big name ecosystem. So they will help you, they will guide you, they will motivate you to complete everything point to point. They will support you, nothing to worry, right? And trail mix 4 you wanted to see, you can see here trail mix 4. So 8,100 points you will get, and once you completed all these challenges, one more badge, super badge will be completed, and everything will be updated on your profile, and you will be ranked throughout the India, or throughout throughout the ecosystem of the Salesforce, and they will be in touch with you, and right. So that happens, you will understand in future, nothing to worry. Trail mix 5, right? So one more associated super badge is here, and this is trail mix 6 and other super badge. This is the wonderful. So, but whenever you are going slowly, it takes some time to complete all the badges, nothing to worry, but it is a very good platform. So you will get very much interested when you are earning all those things. So for preparing for the interviews, soft skills trail mix is there. So this is also another one. So previously I have shown you, to get the interview point of view, you have to complete all these points, you will get 2100 points again. So after this, Trailblaze Connect mentorship. So whenever you have completed these 6 trail mixes, you will get some lot of knowledge, then you can go to this mentorship and you can apply for it. It is also already mentioned and discussed in the beginning itself. So after that, step 3, join a career event, find career. So get ready, blaze some trails. So this is the overall syllabus to become a developer in the Salesforce. Already very clearly the concept of Salesforce job ready program is mentioned. So for you, I am explaining everything for you. Please focus on this. So the target is very clear, right? They wanted to recruit the people, those who want to come for the Salesforce ecosystem with a high-end packages, as I shown you. You can also see that everything, and I will send this PDF to every student mail, right? Nothing to worry. So just I am preparing this video to motivate, to give the knowledge for you, because you are far away, you don't know how to start, but so that's why if I send any PDF or anything, you cannot understand how to start. That's why as a college Salesforce developer, like instructor from my side, in our that's why I'm telling you to move further. So this is because once the time is going to be consuming, you will not get back. So that's why you please start preparing the all Salesforce trail mixes. That also I will show you how to start the first Trailblazer trail mix. Okay, next we will go to the next point. So this is become job ready for admin, it is not required for us. Next, Trailblazer community, it is a wonderful platform, you don't forget this one, Salesforce community. So this Salesforce community, it is a wonderful situation when you are solving the challenge. If you get any problem, then automatically you can post the problem in this community, then they can answer for you very quickly, right? Welcome to Trailblazer community groups. You have to sign up here. Okay, you have to sign up with your Facebook or LinkedIn, whatever. Then you will go to the Trailblazer community. So once you enter into the community, you can able to post everything. You can able to get all the problems you are facing when you are solving the challenges, right? This mentorship for the students, it is not required for you now. Once you have completed the trail mixes, then you can able to attend. So now this is how to become a student ambassador. This is also one role is there. So this is the entire, you have to concentrate on this one. Whenever you have to spend every day some time, 1 hour or 2 hours, then you will be very good in solving all those. Okay, and this is the student ambassador role, and they have mentioned very clearly here. You please go through these all points. Who is eligible for this? Any student, faculty or school administrator at higher education institute or institution or workforce development program who would like to help students stay connected with the Trailblazer community and help students to build their network in Salesforce ecosystem. So they are offering the student ambassador role also. This also one of the credit or profile you will add to your resume, right? So if you have any problem, you can mail to the Trailblazer community also by taking this mail address. Okay, and a lot of questions are there, you can read all those questions. Ambassadors, so these all you have to read, and slowly you can learn the platform of Salesforce ecosystem. Then it will be very good for you. Resources to teach Salesforce in classroom. So if you want to learn anything about this one, you can go to this educator portal. Welcome to our education portal, 4.2 million jobs, Trailhead best practices. You can go through this link. Everything is what is Trailhead. You can see here, it is a way of fun way of learning, and Trailhead is completely free to use to you and to your students, and so everything is mentioned here, you can read. Okay, so any help is required regarding the Trailhead, you can go through this link also, Salesforce Trailhead help. Almost these all things are not required for you, but they have given each and pinpoint pin, everything is given. My suggestion is you go through the PDF, and you have to keep the attend the what do you call the syllabus. The syllabus is very important, like the semester syllabus you can feel like this, right? So you think that you can think like I wanted to become a developer, I have to complete this syllabus, right? So this syllabus is very important, you please focus on this syllabus. Okay, and when you are completing the syllabus, whenever you get any the doubt, right, so you can go through the community trail, you have to sign up for the community, and you can post the question and you will get the answer from there, how to complete that challenge, right? But before going to that, you have to read the entire, for every module, you can see the every module, it is having the complete information about that one. Okay, you can see here Trailhead basics. So again it is having 5 minutes, so get started with the Trailhead, find your way around Trailhead. So all things are not it is difficult to understand for you at a time. Okay, so this is the second video I am doing on the Salesforce job ready program. You please utilize this video and enjoy with the Salesforce ecosystem, it is very good for you. So you please start from Monday onwards, start the working with the challenges that I will post you, or I will send you one more video how to start testing first trail mix, and how to solve the modules, and how to earn the badges. I will do, and I will support you the beginning, and as much as possible I will be with you only till the end of December. You please concentrate, you don't please keep it aside. Okay, so that's why. And next important point, already you have signed up for one account, and you have the Trailhead account, and if you want to get so you can see here, so this is the platform you are having, right? So but basically you are going to getting the mail, the code to the mail, and you are copying that code and pasting it, and you are going to enter into the platform. Instead of that, you can also create your developer Salesforce sign up process. You can see here, you have to copy this and paste here. So you have to do this also. So one is mail, through mail you can sign in, and the second is creation through Salesforce, you are going to be sign into your account. So that's why it is get your own developer edition, it is for free of cost. So here you have to type your name, something, whatever name you wanted to give, that you have to give, and last name you have to give something, and I already created that, I will show you. and email address you have to enter, and job role you have to select a developer, and you have to mention the college name, company, you have to mention the college name, and the country, and postal code, you can enter your postal code, and username you have to select. So username you can give anything. So like myself, I have given some tbk youtube 2020 gmail.com. so this is I have given, right? So and I have already clicked the sign me up process. After that I received a mail to my mail. So like that you will receive, thanks for signing up with Salesforce. So click here to verify your account. Here you have to click. So you can see here. So this is the website, sorry, this is the login through Salesforce. You don't forget that two types of sign in you can do. One way is nothing but you can go through the mail account, Gmail mail, and you will receive the code, and you paste the code, paste in the coding into the platform, and you will get into the challenges page, right? Otherwise you can also directly go to the developer edition. This is nothing but your developer edition. Once you have signed up there, you will receive this mail, and you have to click here, and you have to copy this username. So whatever username you have given, you can copy that and go to this login page. Now you will get like this. Clear? So this so for that you need the password, right? So that's why first of all, before that you have to verify your account. Why it is coming? Because already I have clicked on verify my account. Okay, I think it is there. I will show you. Okay, so I already clicked on verify account, but I have stopped to show for you, to show how to create a developer edition and how to change your password. So that's why I stopped here. Now my username is there, and I have to set my password. You have to create your password. Now you have to set any other security question. Now change password. Now it is going to open. Okay, can you able to see here? So this is my platform. Now it is created. So my username is tbkt. I have given a lot of things, nothing to worry. Now I am going to sign out. Now I will show you how to enter actually. So you have to note down this login page. It is already there. It will come to your mail also, nothing to worry, once you have signed up the developer edition. So now this username is already pasted here. I am going to sign in. I am typing my password. Okay, it is asking to reset my phone. which country you are belongs to, that number you have to enter. I am entering my number. The verification code will come. Nine six 168. Now you are entering into the Salesforce challenges platform, which is nothing but a trailhead account. So from here only you have to click here, and in it you can select the settings. You can click here, and you have to click the setup. So this is setup only. So once you have created, just you now you can sign out it. So all of you create this account, don't forget. So once you have created, next how to proceed I will tell you, and how to start start with the syllabus. I will post one more video how to create it, how to start this trail mix 1. I will show you how to end the points and edges beginning. So before that, everybody, I hope you have to complete by tomorrow evening. You have to create your developer edition also. Sign up your developer edition. It is very clearly mentioned in this video. You please complete all those things. You have to, don't forget here, you can and sign in and you can do the challenges with your Gmail account itself. No problem. So you have to sign whenever it is asking to sign in any challenge. You can see here any challenge, you can click here sign in, login. Then it is going to be asking that these are the lot of options are there. You can click here email, then you have to enter your email and you will get the code, and you have to copy that code and you will enter into the platform, challenging platform. You can do that challenges. Otherwise you can go to the directly Salesforce developer edition. I shown you how to sign up the Salesforce edition. So once you have got that one, when you click this one, like that you will get, you can see here, you have to paste this one and you have to do like this. You have to type your password, then automatically you will enter into the module. So it is asking now. You can see here this is my old profile. So as I told you, I have done already some badges like that. I told you, this is my actual profile. For you I have created a new account, but it is going to be linking my account also, old account also. You can see here I already earned 20 badges and 22,750 points are there. You can see my profile also. This is my profile and this is my ID. if you copy this link and send and keep in your resume, or you can share it in the LinkedIn profile, so you will be verified by the recruiters and those who are providing the jobs for the Salesforce. This link is, this profile is very important for you. Based on this profile only, this entire Salesforce ecosystem, this is unique, right? They can sit there and they can tell your complete horoscope of yours, right? So, and you can see here my trail head is this one. I am having the rank of adventurer and 20 badges I earned. So these all my efforts only, and 3 trails I have earned, and you have to earn 5 more badges to reach mountaineer rank. What is this rank? I will show you, see here. So these are the different ranks will be given. So scout badge 1, if you earn badge 1, you will get 200 points are required. Hiker and explorer 5 badges, 3000 points are required. If you want to move for adventurer, badges 10 is required and 9,000 points are required. Now I am this stage. After to move for the mountaineer, I need to earn 5 more, and points already crossed 22,000. That's why it is not a matter. 25th, if I do one more module, I will get this rank. After that, I do some 25 badges, I will go to this expeditioner. If I do 100 badges, I will go to this. So as part of your syllabus, you have to complete till here. So this you may not get it, but 44 are required, so you have to complete this one at least. So how do I earn badges? These all points are mentioned. Anyway, this all information for you. You please do the sign up process till now. Later on I will guide you how to start working with this. Okay, that's all for now. Okay, bye. We'll meet in the other